In this video, you'll learn how to create a happy voiceover using ElevenLabs. This process involves several steps within the ElevenLabs platform to ensure that your text-to-speech output conveys the desired emotion effectively. Start by navigating to the ElevenLabs website. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smooth user experience. Once you arrive on the homepage, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click this button to proceed to the login page. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From here, locate the option labeled text-to-speech. This is usually found in the navigation menu. Selecting this option will take you to the speech synthesis section where you can create your voiceover. Once in the text-to-speech area, you will see a button labeled model. Click on this option to reveal different voice models available for use. It is important to choose the correct model for your project, so take a moment to review your options. Next, select 11v3 Alpha from the list of models. This version is designed to provide high-quality outputs and is particularly well-suited for generating expressive speech. After making your selection, you will be taken back to the main text input area. In the text input field, type your script and be sure to include the words "a vertical bar," happy vertical bar, or at the beginning of your text. This tag instructs the system to generate a voice that reflects the specified emotion. Pay attention to the length of your script, as longer text may require more processing time. Finally, click on the Generate Speech button to create your voiceover. Depending on your internet speed and the length of your script, this process may take a few moments. Once the speech is generated, you should be able to listen to a preview. Ensure that the output meets your expectations before proceeding to use the generated audio in your projects.